After seeing the latest IT Act policy change in India by the government, people are very curious and thinking that is they are safe in internet, and if you are there using Telegram application, will they be safe in India? So in this video I'm gonna talk about, is Telegram safe in India after this recent IT law or IT Act has been implemented by Indian government. So sit back, relax and watch this video till the end, because it is your question of your privacy. So first talk about what government wants. Government wants to track the first originator of any message. If you forward any message in WhatsApp, Twitter or anywhere in social media, basically government want to track who have first started. Basically government is not interested IT cell post. Government is interested if any common people, common voice expose their reality, then they want to track that person and they want to send that person to jail. So that is the main motto of this IT law. So now the question is coming, is Telegram safe? Because Facebook and WhatsApp has lost their identity, because to the government they will expose any details to government, as we all know they have exposed in earlier. So now question is coming, is Telegram is safe? So I will talk about some factors, then you can understand is Telegram safe or not. So first of all, normal group messaging and Telegram public channel or private channel, these kind of things are not fully end-to-end encrypted. Default chat is also not fully end-to-end encrypted. But yes, it will be encrypted, and it will be encrypted version messages will be stored in their cloud. But it is not end-to-end encryption. What is end-to-end encryption? Only message will be saved to your device and your recipient device. So this end-to-end encryption of Telegram can only be used via one-to-one personal chat. And then you have to go to the chat window of that particular contact, click 3 dot icon and click start secret chat. That will be end-to-end encrypted. Now let me talk about, are Telegram safe or not? Look, if government asks anything from Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, they may expose, may give some details, as Google also shared some details of this toolkit case of Disha Ravi. From there, Disha Ravi got arrested. So yes, big companies will expose your details for money. Money means, look, if the government is some country's government will maybe be very much mad in such a way, if they are not providing this kind of thing, next day they will say it is banned in India and their app will be vanished. So if Twitter said to government that we will not give this kind of personal details, next day you will see some trolling over their Twitter that ban Twitter in India. So from there, this Twitter is doing their business, Facebook is also doing their business, and in that case Google also doing their business. So in that case, these big companies will not want to lose business and will not want to lose profit. For that, by exposing and leaking 1 or 2% privacy is not a big deal to them. They do not care privacy, they do not care customers or users, they only talk about business profit, money, that's it. So that's why big corporate companies will leak your details and privacy. So Google product, Facebook product, Twitter product using is not at all safe right now. Why Telegram is safe? Because Telegram is non-profit organization. The Telegram does not work for money, does not work for profit. It is run by some donation. So they are not taking care about the profit. They are only taking care about donation. And if someday Telegram got banned in India by not following the government law, Telegram does not care, because Telegram is not doing profit. So if any kind of customer they lose, they will lose. They don't care whatever they're losing or not. They're only focused for the privacy and freedom of speech. So that is the main motto of Telegram, and Telegram owner also said the same thing, that they focus on privacy and freedom of speech. So if any day government bans Telegram, do not get shocked, because it can happen. By using VPN, you can definitely use Telegram from after ban and before ban. So Telegram was safe, Telegram is safe, and Telegram will be safe for your privacy and freedom of speech, because this is a non-profit organization. They do not talk about profit money, so they will not hear to the government, they will only hear to their own motto. So yes, you can definitely use, but if Telegram get banned, you have to use VPN. That's all in this video. If you have any question regarding this Telegram privacy security, do let me ask in the comment section. I will be happy to help you. Till my next video, it's goodbye from here. Take care and be safe on internet.